In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play with friends in League of Legends. To keep things simple, we'll start right from the client. First, log into your League client so you're on the home screen. On the right side, you'll see the social panel. That's your friends list and party controls. If you and your friend aren't connected yet, look toward the top of that panel for the little person icon with a plus sign. Click it to open the Add Friend window. Here, type your friend's Riot ID and tagline, formatted like name/tag. Spelling and the tag have to be exact, so double check it before you press enter. That sends a friend request. Once they accept, their name will appear in your friends list, and you'll be able to see whether they're online and what they're doing. If you get a player not found message, it often means the ID or tag was mistyped, or you're on different regions. Make sure you're both using the same Riot account region in the client. With your friend on your list, you're ready to make a party. Create a lobby for any mode you want to play, whether it's Summoner's Rift, ARAM, or a custom game. Just open the play menu, pick the mode, and you'll land in a lobby screen with open player slots. From here, inviting your friend is easy. Click the plus icon next to an empty slot to bring up your friends list, filtered to people who can join. Then select your friend's name to send the invite. Alternatively, you can click and drag their name directly from the social panel into the lobby. They'll get a pop-up to accept, and once they join, you'll see their icon fill a slot. If your friend looks grayed out or can't accept the invite, check a couple quick things. Some queues restrict rank or party size, and status settings like Do Not Disturb can hide prompts. Changing the game mode to one that supports your party, or asking them to set their status to online, usually clears it up. That's all there is to it. Add your friend with their Riot ID and tagline, create any lobby you like, and invite them with the plus button or by dragging from the social panel. Once they're in, you're set to queue up together and enjoy the game. Have fun, and good luck on the Rift.